Okay guys, I'm doing an instructional video on best buys. So when we're comparing prices of products, it's important that you have the price of the product in the same weight. So let's say we're comparing the price of fruit. Let's say bananas were $3.20 per kilogram. Okay, and apples were $1.50 for 500 grams, and grapes were 90 cents per 100 grams. And let's say the question is, which is the most expensive? Well, at the moment, you can't answer that question because you've got different weights. Yes, you're paying more for a kilogram. You're paying more if you buy, like the amounts here, the bananas is the most amount, but you're getting a kilogram of bananas, whereas grapes you're only getting 100 grams. So we need to convert them to the same weight. So you just need to look at your numbers and go, well, what's the easiest for me to do? Because there's always more than one option. So the grapes, I can convert that to a kilogram. Apples, I can convert that to a kilogram. And bananas stay as a kilogram. Or I can convert them all to per 500 grams or all to for 500 grams. So that's the first decision you need to make. All right, so when we do our working out for that, so I'm going to convert them all to kilograms, okay? So bananas, sorry, my pen's not very dark, I hope you can see. They were $3.20 for 1 kilogram. Okay, so I don't need to do anything there. Apples, they're $1.50 for 500 grams. And so now I need to convert that to kilograms, and I do that by doubling it because there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so I need to times this by 2. So times that by 2, which means I must times the $1.50 by 2 as well. Okay, so to convert the cost of apples, that means $1.50 times 2 is $3 for 1 kilogram. Okay, which is 1,000 grams. Okay, so that's apples. And then lastly, we've got grapes. Okay, so grapes, they were 90 cents for 100 grams. So these are ratios really, or they're rates, but you can write it like that. So I need to multiply this by 10 to get 1,000 grams. Oops, multiply it by 10. And that gets me 1,000 grams or a kilo. And so I need to multiply this by 10. Okay, and 0.9 times 10 is 9 per 1 kilo. I should use the per because that's a rate. So these are all rates we're using here. So when you've got the per sign, that's a rate. So $3.20 per kilo, $1.50 per 500 grams, 90 cents per 100 grams. They're all rates. They're exactly like a ratio, except a ratio you have the same units. So now we can see that for grapes, we spend $9 for a kilo. Apples is $3 for a kilo, and bananas are $3.20. So the most expensive we can see is the grapes. Okay, so that's how you convert That's how you calculate your best buy. You must have it in the same weight. Or let's say when we go shopping, we buy t-shirts, and they say if you buy one t-shirt, it's $10. I'll do this one over here. Let's say one t-shirt is $10, or 3 t-shirts for $25. Okay, so, and I might say, well, how much cheaper is it to buy, how much are you saving if you buy the 3 t-shirts? So one t-shirt is $10. We need to work out how much per t-shirt if we're buying 3 for $25. So what we do there is we do 25 divided by 3. Okay, and you can just do that on your calculator, which is 7 point something. I've got my calculator with me. Okay, so one t-shirt is $10, $25 for 3 t-shirts. So to find the cost of one t-shirt, we do 25 divided by 3. We know that should be around 8, and the answer is $8.33. So by buying 3 t-shirts, you're paying $1.66 less per t-shirt. Are you saving money? Well, if you only want one t-shirt, no, you're actually spending $15 more than what you need to. But how much cheaper is it per t-shirt to buy 3? Well, it's $1.66 cheaper. Okay. So when it's weight, you need to convert to the same weight. When it's items of clothing, you just go to the unitary method. You work out how much for one item and then compare it that way.